Welcome back to my channel. This is a special. I'm telling you all the things that I believe, and if you don't believe it, that's fine. That's the great part about being Americans. We have our own choices. We can believe our own beliefs. Y'all, whether you want to believe it or not, there is a war on America, and there is a war on Americans. I am at a loss for what we need to do at this point. On one hand, I say, let's clean the house of all Republicans. Now, I am a Republican. I have always been a die-hard Republican. But right now, when we need the Republican Party the most, what are they doing? They're doing nothing but sitting on their hands and slapping us in the face with their words and not caring about American people. They said they're in no hurry to get to work on the next package. The House passed it on the 15th. The Senate has been sitting on it ever since then, not doing anything. Now we have the dilemma. What do we do? Come November, do we clean the House of all Republicans, including Donald Trump? Well, then we're stuck with creepy Joe Biden. What would be better off? I mean, I hate saying this, but it's starting to look like our best days are behind us. Come on, Mr. President, do your job. Make the Republican Senate, make them do their job. Make them get a bill to help the people. Not all of their interest groups, not all of their agenda, all the big corporations. We don't need to help them anymore. We need to help the American people. That's what we voted you in office for, because you were supposed to be one of us. You were supposed to be an outsider coming in to help us. Don't look like you're doing it, Mr. President. Okay, this is some things that I believe in right here, and if you don't, that's fine. We all have our own opinions. In the face of everything that's going on right now with the burnings and the riots and the destruction of innocent people's property, I am 100% in favor of peaceful protesting. This is no longer about Mr. Floyd. Now it is about the thug element of America, trying to get whatever they can for free, looting and stealing. That has nothing to do with Mr. Floyd. Mr. Floyd would not want that. His family has got on national TV begging people to stop doing that, but yet they still do it. That shows that it's just the thug mentality, what they have. Okay, now, the president set a curfew. People are not abiding by that curfew. And we're not doing nothing about it. Mr. President, you came on posturing with strong words that you will take care of the situation. People will not burn the cities, loot the stores, in total chaos like they're doing. You were strong. You showed your backbone there. But then when they continue doing it, what did you do? Nothing. Mr. President, you can't posture like that and then sit back and do nothing. That's a sign of weakness. When you show weakness, they're going to run over you. Now, don't that sound about what you said to the governors? Eat your own words, Mr. President. This is a war against America by Antifa. It's time to bring our military in full force. Let them use their full might to stop this. All this craziness in the streets, it's got to stop. We're destroying ourselves from within. What we need to do is pick a day, tomorrow, at 12 o'clock. Announce on the news, Mr. President, I'm talking to you. Announce on the news, if you're out on the streets past curfew tonight, we will bring military in. If you're looting, destroying people's property, we will bring military against you. So if you're out on the street after curfew, you're taking your life into your own hands. Say what you mean, Mr. President, and mean what you say. Stand up to them. You know, if this was totally about Mr. Floyd, that would be one thing. But it is not about Mr. Floyd anymore. It's about a thug mentality element of America trying to get over, trying to destroy America, trying to destroy American people, trying to get something for nothing. It's time it stops. Y'all, you're putting a black mark on Mr. Floyd's death by doing this. Don't let this be what people remember Mr. Floyd by. We need to unify America. Let that be what people remembers Mr. Floyd by. Unifying America. Y'all, stay strong. Stay proud. And let's get back together. Y'all, all of this craziness is not helping matters a bit. It's making everything worse. So stop it. If you need a flat screen TV, get a job and buy one. You know, everybody's talking about they're so poor in America. Yeah, there are poor people to our standards in America. Look around the world. Our poorest people still has flat screen TVs. They all still have smartphones in their pockets. That's our poorest people carrying around a smartphone in their pocket. They have a flat screen TV at home. Go to some of the other countries around the world and look at their poor people. You are very rich. Poor and rich is a state of mind. You're poor because you choose to be poor. You're rich because you choose to be rich. It's not about money. It's not about wealth. It's about what's in here and what's in here. Stop the craziness. I hope this video has helped someone. If it's offended someone, I can't help it. Y'all please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down. Leave me your comments. And just know I love you all. Ciao.